War games by Iran's army at the southern coast of the country, but this is more than just a drill. Welcome to War Central. A new generation of weapons, fully developed inside Iran, is being revealed during one of the country's largest military exercises. This is inside Iran's deadly military arsenal. On the fifth day of the Mohammed Rasul Allah drills, advanced systems are pushed to their limits. Noor and Nasr, Iranian cruise missiles, are launched from land bases, striking targets deep in the Oman Sea. Iran says these exercises send a message of peace and cooperation to neighboring countries, but at the same time, a clear warning to its enemies, a display of power and deterrence. In the Sea of Oman and the Strait of Hormuz, torpedoes are fired toward mock enemy submarines. Air defense systems activate, tracking and guiding fighter jets toward their targets with precision. Far from its shores in the Gulf of Aden, Iranian naval forces carry out anti-piracy operations, showing reach far beyond its borders. Subscribe for more at War Central and push the like button.